The importance of fresh content. Google's job is to serve up the best search results for people who are looking for information. Google wants the content that it serves up to be fresh and up to date, and that is typically the best type of content out there. There's actually a fresh content algorithm, and by adding it to your site, you can take advantage of it. I've tested it multiple times, and what I'm about to share is what I call the bare minimum. At least once per month, you need to increase the size of your website by at least one page. You can easily do this by adding a new blog post to your site once a month, for example. And by adding a new blog post to your site once a month, you are clearly demonstrating to Google that you care about your website whilst also satisfying the fresh content algorithm. One of the worst things you can do is create a website and then neglect it. This is actually what so many people do and plays a big factor in why so many people do not succeed online. We want to avoid neglecting our sites, and by publishing at least one piece of content a month, we're going in the right direction. Coming up with tons of blog ideas you can publish every month is really easy, as you would have saw already from my last few videos in this section of the course. You can also consider updating existing content once a month as well, as this is also a clear signal to Google that once again you care about your content, and out of your competition, your content is the most freshest and up to date, which is a win-win. And just to clarify as well, when I say updating existing content, what I'm referring to is things such as adding a new sentence, removing a sentence, changing a picture, adding a video, for example. This is more than enough. And as I've already said, I've tested this multiple times already, and I haven't seen any additional benefit of adding maybe a whole paragraph or 2 paragraphs, for example. As long as you're updating your content and satisfying the fresh content segment of the algorithm, you're making Google happy. You're also letting Google know that your content is the freshest and the most up-to-date out there.